where users, both typists and gamers, prioritize tactile feedback, durability, and thoughtful design. Just as shoppers compare switch type, build quality, layout, and value, pool owners also look for efficiency, power, and reliability when choosing the best above-ground pool pump. This guide evaluates flow rate, motor strength, energy efficiency, build materials.
List number 1. Above ground pool pump, 1.5 HP, 100 GPM single speed. The 1.5 HP, 100 GPM single speed above ground pool pump is a strong option for pool owners needing a balance of affordability, high flow rate, and dependable operation. With its 1.5 horsepower motor, this pump can deliver up to 100 gallons per minute, making it ideal for medium to large above ground pools. The performance is consistent, and the single-speed mechanism ensures simplicity. Plug it in, prime it, and let it run without constant adjustments. The pump body is designed with corrosion-resistant materials, making it well-suited for chlorinated pool water and outdoor weather exposure. Its transparent lid allows users to monitor debris levels easily, while the oversized strainer basket helps capture leaves and dirt before they enter the filtration system. This reduces the load on the filter and helps extend the life of the overall pool equipment. Noise levels remain moderate, especially considering the horsepower, though it's not the quietest on the list. Installation is also straightforward thanks to universal fittings compatible with most above-ground pool setups. Energy usage is typical for a single-speed pump, so users prioritizing energy savings may want to explore multi-speed models. Still, for its price range and power output, it's an excellent value option for homeowners seeking a strong, durable, no-nonsense pump for daily pool maintenance.
List number 2. Extreme Power US 3/4 HP, 2400 gallons per hour high flow pond and pool pump. The Extreme Power US 3/4 HP pump, pushing up to 2400 gallons per hour, is a versatile option suitable not only for above-ground pools, but also ponds, water features, and small in-ground systems. Despite its lower horsepower compared to others on this list, the unit delivers surprisingly strong water circulation, making it ideal for small to medium pool setups. One of its major advantages is efficiency. The 3/4 HP motor draws noticeably less power than higher horsepower pumps, making it an economical choice for pool owners wanting to keep energy usage under control. Even with its modest power rating, the pump operates smoothly, with good filtration support and strong suction for capturing fine debris. The housing is built from reinforced thermoplastic, ensuring long-term rust resistance and dependable outdoor performance. Users will appreciate the pump's quiet operation, one of the quietest in this roundup, making it ideal for backyards where noise is a concern. Installation is user-friendly due to standard connection ports, and it's compact enough to fit in tight pump pad spaces. However, its lower flow rate means it's best for pools under 12,000 gallons for optimal turnover times. For homeowners looking for a durable, affordable, and energy-saving pump, the Extreme Power US 3/4 HP model stands out as a reliable, everyday performer.
List number 3. Oswerpon Pool Pump Above Ground, In-Ground, 2 HP, 6900 GPH Powerful. If you need serious pumping power, the Oswerpon 2 HP pool pump delivers an impressive 6,900 gallons per hour, making it ideal for large above-ground pools and even many in-ground models. The 2 HP motor is designed for heavy-duty water flow, rapid circulation, and outstanding filtration performance, perfect for clearing cloudy water or managing heavy debris loads. The pump features a reinforced, corrosion-resistant body suitable for harsh chemical environments and constant outdoor exposure. Its large strainer basket can handle big debris loads, meaning fewer cleanouts and more consistent flow. The clear lid allows for easy inspection, and its self-priming feature ensures fast startup even after maintenance. Despite its power, the pump maintains a reasonable noise level for a 2 HP motor, though it is louder than smaller models. Energy consumption is higher, but that is expected with high-performance pumps. Homeowners with larger pools will appreciate the fast turnover rate, which helps maintain clean, sparkling water with less filtration time. List number 4. AquaStrong Sand Filter Pump for above-ground pool with timer. The AquaStrong Sand Filter Pump offers a convenient all-in-one filtration solution combining strong water flow with a durable sand filter system. Designed for above-ground pools, it includes a built-in programmable timer, making daily operations simple and energy efficient. Users can set filtration cycles automatically, reducing the need for manual switching and ensuring consistent water quality. The sand filter offers excellent debris removal, catching particles traditional cartridge filters may miss. This results in clearer water with less maintenance, as sand typically only needs changing every 5 years. The pump itself delivers dependable flow suitable for medium to large pools, ensuring proper turnover and reducing algae growth. The unit's build quality is strong, with weather-resistant housing and a stable base that prevents vibration and movement during operation. Another advantage is its quiet performance, quieter than many standalone pumps. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hoses, clamps, and fittings.
List number 5. The Sapu 0.35 HP Pool Pump with Timer 2700 GPH. The Sapu 0.35 HP Pool Pump is an excellent budget-friendly option for smaller above-ground pools that still require reliable, steady water circulation. Delivering 2,700 gallons per hour, this pump is ideal for pools up to about 8,000 to 9,000 gallons. Despite its compact size, it includes several premium features, most notably a built-in timer allowing automatic daily cycles to reduce energy waste. The pump is self-priming, which helps it start quickly after cleaning or maintenance, and its durable thermoplastic construction holds up well against heat, chemicals, and outdoor environments. The integrated strainer basket, although smaller than those in larger pumps, is easy to access and clean, making routine maintenance simple even for first-time pool owners. The pump is also impressively quiet and energy efficient, drawing much less power than larger units, while still providing adequate turnover for small to medium pools. It's especially appealing for homeowners wanting to cut down on electricity costs without compromising water clarity.